Good, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this very exotic place, the paradise on earth. This is Gulmarg. The track from Gulmarg to Khilalmarg. Oh, that's great. Good. Just look around. Beautiful. Follow me, sir. Follow, sir.
Chinese as getting flight late. Flight guys getting where will go? We're going to say Sham to flight. Why should we suffer? Give us the 5-star stay. No, you see, we'll have it. No. This is your fault. Okay, really good.
It's great, Tamsad. You're right. Absolutely correct.
Sorry.
Oh, that's beautiful. This is the paradise on earth. The fine trees. Yeah, I agree with that. Fine trees in Gulmarg area. You're right, sir.
No, you should go.
Go. You're right. Sanuki.
No.
मगर आजमाना बड़ मजा है गुलमर्ग टू खिललमार्ग है destination खिललमार्ग walking and trekking, you know,
Tracking
and trekking up the mountains, huh? No mule, no horses, no horse, no mule, no gondola, no chair car, huh? No reach, no balu, no beer. No beer, no balu. Thank God we are back safe. That's great. And then we have enjoyed the tranquility, the silence and the beauty of this nature and environment today. Khilalmarg. Great. That's great. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Great.